Only attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jaden place. See me up to the time, a cartel I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the naysayers, we hear them attack. Now, some fans have expressed that they wanted the numbers to be significantly more. We all wanted the numbers to be significantly more. For every artist who had an album released this year and was their album on that chart, them and them camp want their numbers to be significantly more. But I wonder if you notice what takes place worldwide. You notice the crisis that takes place even locally in the music sector. There is currently an entertainment sector shut down. Vybz Kartel is the only dancehall artist currently with an album released to the public and can state that we have made over $10 million for the first week of sales. Despite what is taking place worldwide. I wonder if you notice what takes place in the black community internationally. You see what going on over there? You know, the majority of our brothers and sisters who reside overseas are out of a job. And have still taken the initiative to even pre-order and grab the album. Now the numbers will increase. But we are pointing this out. In a situation like this, currently where there's a entertainment sector shut down, should we still not be proud that the album debuted at number 6 on the reggae Billboard charts? And the album is a dancehall album. Should we not celebrate the fact that Cute Rider is the second most purchased dancehall or reggae track in the world? Point out something to know what Desmond McKenzie say, who is the minister charged with spearheading the reopening of the entertainment sector. During a press conference, Mr. McKenzie expressed that he and his team have observed ads and promotion content circulating in the media referring to a reopening of prohibited places of entertainment in a certain sectors. Him say entertainment as it stands is still on the banned list of activities that are not to take place across the country. Now with artists not being able to do shows and tours across the world. Have you noticed that Vybz Kartel is the only artist bringing in an income and even giving back to the dancehall genre since this situation has taken place worldwide? Vybz Kartel and the Gaza Nation team has given away over $1 million viewers and subscribers in these feel-good competitions where the ladies can dance and hold a vibe. And for different singles from little Addy, little vibes, you name it. And the ladies hold a vibes and hold a joy. And the teacher give forward, because only the ladies will give backers to. But the teacher has given to the dancehall community, even though shows, tours, parties, things of this nature are still prohibited on the island right now. So the ladies can't even go all the vibes right now, depending upon the setting. There's no put your heels on and makeup and your best outfit and go to a venue. That is prohibited right here on the island. That not go on. What about even tracks, release new music for the people so they can hold a vibe and a joy in what take place right now. No other artists now do that. So why are the naysayers trying to infiltrate the camp? But see, some of them forward in of all Gaza and them name. And I talk about them disappointed on the album this and me I say look for you, how that try to trick me? You feel like a name going to trick me? Or what you say? We are listening to what you have to say. And in the root of what you have to say, you will reveal who you really are. Remember this. We know this. You can say we are Vybz Kartel fans and feel comfortable on yourself and say, oh, we are not lying. Because you know this. Before these artists know what I talk about and I say Ray and I call some name now. We don't know a Vybz Kartel music. We use a jump and party to. A Vybz Kartel music that continue to inspire and motivate. You know. Me know this. But no for no know I claim so I want to say this, I want to say that, I want to say the third. But we are point out this. No for no want the album for medal. I want to feel like we can create a certain amount of doubt within the mouth and bring down the sales. We can't do that. The sales are going up. And me have to tell you this. The way data is analyzed, remember these are digital numbers. There are still ways that even though that number was published, when that was refreshed at 12 that same day, the number went up. The numbers went up from what you saw. So while that was the number published, and we'd have to discuss it because that was the number published. You have to also put into perspective the fact of what take place worldwide and ask if the people in the notice from behind the bars. Vybz Kartel has done this. So it's never been done. The teacher released 2 albums this year, all featured on the Billboard charts. From behind the bars. I don't want to talk some things and feel like I got to follow. See there? We are all hoping for the reopening of the entertainment sector. And Desmond, McKenzie say, yo, him no see it for now. So these artists we here make talk. Them and them camp. Me I tell you. I'm going to watch them in the next couple of days. Because them career already a flat line. Them career already a flat line. Remember, these are not artists who put out music for keep the genre going. Them make the musical contributions for the game. Them release songs for the game. But look, since them can't go do no shows and tours, you know why they don't release music? Because their music don't sell. We never wonder why certain artists choose to put out music once every 6 or 7 months. Because that is how long it takes for them songs to even sell a copy. Talk to me now, man. Talk to me now. The reason why them have to space out the release of songs is because them songs they not sell. Talk to me now. Your songs are not making the numbers. So at the moment when you go record music when now sell, it's almost like you wonder to yourself, what me I do it for? Now some don't look at it that they are creating a catalog for themselves. They own the masters to these tracks. If these tracks become monster hits. But then again, them know these songs won't become monster hits because there's not enough creative contributions within even the songs themselves. Them know the majority of the songs them and them write them. So even the songs become monster hits, they will have to accredit the writers. They will not be getting majority of the income from these songs. If I also point this out too, Vybz Kartel is an independent dancehall artist signed to his own independent label. Very few artists can boast this. Some artists do have a record label for themselves or a recording studio where people consider a record label, but the teacher actually has a record label registered and everything, and the teacher is releasing his albums from that record label, and also adding Shorty's record label to it as well, and bringing the money for the youth then. Viewers and subscribers, never talk it as it is. I don't know about no bias. I don't know what that sell. I don't know nothing about no bias. I don't know what that sell, nor do I want to purchase any. We are point out the facts. And we are look at it from a point of view that might be different to somebody that talked to you earlier. But remember this. This is not a one-sided situation. Remember, music is released on a worldwide scale. And different things are taking place in different places. Big up the girl in the ghetto when I have no internet, but you put on a service and you go up on YouTube and you show the support. Yeah, she go stream the artist song then. She drop a like, she drop a comment, she listen to every one of them and she listen to them daily with her service. Even though she don't have no net, she don't have no credit card, to grab the album. And that is why the teacher makes sure the album is available on platforms like these for them people. They have to big up the teacher. I have to big up Gaza Nation. We have the biggest and the strongest fan base in the dancehall music, and them a try talk some things. They make them disrupt the flow. We're moving forward. We're moving forward, viewers and subscribers. We are moving forward. Gaza at the Grammys, and them can't stop the movement. Vice to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, and of course they like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you, right us up on the platform. The like icon is there too. Drop a like on the blog from the live video. Share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend to tell them, sister and them, brother them, to check out channel, check out the reason. Join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions, dear viewers and subscribers. You know the something go out, move settings from we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.